The boy threw the stone into the water. The woman threw a snowball at the man and he threw one back. The darts player threw a dart at the dartboard. The javelin thrower threw the javelin a long distance. The businessman threw the paper airplane across the room. The boxer on the left threw a punch at the boxer on the right. The woman picked up the potatoes and threw them in the bucket. The female athlete threw a right hook. The chef threw the dough up into the air. The goalkeeper threw the football to one of his teammates. The referee threw the basketball into the air. The basketball players were getting ready to jump. The tennis player threw the tennis ball into the air. The basketball player threw the basketball into the hoop. The boy threw the football into the air. The American football player threw the American football to his teammate. The baseball pitcher threw the baseball at the catcher. The batter is getting ready to hit the baseball. The juggler threw the juggling ball into the air. The rugby player threw the rugby ball to the other rugby player. The woman threw the carrots in the bin. The businessman, who was sitting at his desk, threw the paper ball into the bin. The woman threw up in the toilet. She drank too much alcohol. The woman threw away her old clothes. The brickie threw the bricks into the wheelbarrow. The hand threw the dice. The hand rolled the dice. The bride threw away her wedding bouquet. The grandfather threw his granddaughter into the air. The woman threw the boomerang. The woman threw out the rubbish. The woman took out the rubbish. The man threw a kiss to the woman. The nurse threw away the disposable gloves. The fisherman on the boat threw the net into the water. The football player threw the football. The woman threw the bowling ball at the bowling pins. The soldier threw a grenade. The lifeguard threw the lifebuoy into the water to save the drowning swimmer.